another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be chopping oxygen. You know, wood, trees. Well, I'm not chopping down like a full tree. Maybe in a future video, I don't know. But it's not going to be like really massive forest. So I'm going to quickly get ready as soon as possible. It's only one thing I need to get on. It's like I'm wearing my sandals, so I need socks because like the place I'm going to is there's like a lot of bugs there. So I'm not wearing my sandals. I'm just gonna quickly go downstairs. Instead of my sandals, I'm gonna put on some shoes. I just packed everything I need. It's literally gonna complete this whole video. I'm chopping apps. Pretty small, but it chops the work. Man, it might snow tomorrow, which is why I'm doing this video today. Cause yeah, let me just put the thing that this is what it actually looks like. Very rusty. For me, it's a little dark. For you guys, a little bright. But here's like fire in the hole. I shot back here. Well, this is a shooting place with a we do BB gun shooting. Well, my brother does. I barely do it. Oh, here's the one we're going to be working on. It looks like I've been working on it. That's because I have. So all I do is just. I need to find a place to put recording on. Is this good? Yeah. I swear to God. Yo, it's actually good. Alright. I'm going to try my best to cut this whole thing off. It takes about 20 minutes for me to cut off a whole entire piece. But this one, it might take less. I don't know. Hopefully not. If I had the sledgehammer, I could like easily break this. Oh, wait. Let's pick up this whole entire thing. Alright, I'm getting the axe out because I put that thing above my feet. Alright, I gotta put back in position. Is this good still? In the camera. Pretty good. Yeah, there we go. Get off here, leaves. I mean, I literally just hit in the same direction 3 times in a row. Just don't worry. I know how to use axes. So it's not like I'm gonna chop my fingers. Oh well. I did cut one of my fingers with this. That was when I was just like a starter. I was just like holding the thing right here and then, well, bam. I was doing this to chop off the little pieces. It then hit my thumb. There's still a little mark. It's like, it barely hurt. I mean, I didn't even cry. It's because I'm big. So yeah. also got this little white thing from holding this axe. And when I went back to go chopping, I had to wear gloves, which I barely have any. But it's not like freezing cold out here. At least I got my noodle jacket. One thing, guys. Soon, I don't know if I might start selling merch. It's gonna be like hoodies, probably like $30. Don't know. Hopefully you guys buy it. So I'm trying to make some money. Cause, you know, buying more cool stuff. Maybe even buy a recording stand. Well, the one thing I'm saving up for that I really want to save up for is a drone. Because I have this little helicopter thingy-mabobber, but it can't hold a phone, of course. But the one thing is, the last thing I tested with it, well, you know, oh yeah, I showed this in the video. The last thing I tested with it, I didn't show this on camera, was a GoPro. I did say that. And guess what? Didn't work. So that's why I'm saving up to buy a drone. Or if one of my friends can buy me a little mini camera that barely weighs anything. Oh my gosh, this car is passing right by me. Then I can probably attach it to that. Oh my gosh. So earlier this day, I was playing this game called Raise of Lava, and I was like, what the signal is this? So I've been playing it for a while. Oh my gosh. 5 same spots. 5 in a row. Ugh. Well, thank goodness I'm not having this thing over my head. I need a real wood piece. Cause like if my brother, if he was here, then he would go in the forest and go get us some pieces. Man, I really wish I could do like crazy editing like all those other cool YouTubers can do. Oh my gosh, this bigger piece right here, it has some chopped off pieces. There's no progress happening. That's why I'm doing this piece. Oh, I chopped off a piece of the bigger boy. Why does this look like the chicken I ate like 2 days ago? Or like yesterday when I had chicken noodle soup. And Loki had chicken noodle soup, and then this bark piece, these pieces, they looked like the chicken that was in the soup. I swear. Have I hit you guys with bark? Comment down below if I even hit you with bark. Oh. Oh my. Ah. Dude, I hate crouching. When I do crouching, it sucks, man. Like, oh, feels much better. I'm just telling you all about my day. It's probably because it's the only thing I can talk about. This dull side, I've tried it before. It barely does any. Yeah, it does some damage. Man, I don't think I can live stream right now. It says I have copyright videos when Loki deleted all of them. I'm pretty sure I did. Oh. God, hey. Oh man. Also, when it was like a.m. the morning, I saw these things. I saw golf carts. They had this Trump thing when the Trump thing, it's still going on. It's probably gonna go on for the rest of the day. I mean, Trump was president at 1 o'clock, or I think it was 2 o'clock for us. Well, for me it was, because that's in Washington, no, it's in Washington D.C. So it's a different time. It was 2 o'clock when he became president. Well, basically, it was actually 1:58. Because right now it says it's 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock where I am. Even gonna make this? Golly. Oh gosh, we have barely made any progress. So that's why. Oh, it's 11 minutes, yeah. We're going over a bit far away from there. Right here. You'll see this. Oh, I hit the case, not the camera. I actually might do this. Oh. Bro, I'm going inside. It got freezing quick. Alright guys, see ya. Remember to like and subscribe, or I don't know, someone will kidnap you when you're sleeping. And for grown-ups that are watching mine, like and subscribe, or else your kids, if you have any, they will cry forever. So, goodbye. Have a great day. And can you see that, guys? Zoom in. It's not a meteor because we barely get any meteors. I think that's the thing. Also, there might be stars on Mars, maybe, if Elon Musk says yes. Well, goodbye.